Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware 06115 4-inch brass surface bolt, or barrel bolt they call it. Barrel bolt is a reference to the general shape and design, where it has a round bolt inside of it. Very typical sort of item. Called solid brass. And we'll test and see how much of it is indeed solid brass. Okay, 4-inch, and I've got one removed from the package here so we can get a bit closer view on it. There's the bolt itself. Non-handed. Install either way. Let's test it dimensionally first. Overall length of the body is 4-inch. Overall projection looks like it's about 5/16. Projection when it's installed onto the face of the door or whatever. Projection of the bolt looks like it's 7/16. And that bolt diameter is 1/4 inch. It's a 1/4 inch bolt diameter. You're going to get 2 strikes, a surface strike. It's pretty obvious how that works for something that would, however the application might suit you. This is just simply a surface strike. You could use that for in-swing situations, for surface mount on the frame. It also comes with what is called a rim strike, although they don't call it, well, they call it a mortise strike. Sure, absolutely. You could use that in a variety of instances as well. However you're going to install this, you could have something that slides. This could be mortised down to the sill or to the header. More typically to the header is how you would do this. To the underside of the frame of a door, and then your installation would look just like that. Okay. Then you're going to get all the little screws you need. 8, and that would be the proper quantity. There will be 8 of these very small number 5 screws, perhaps. Now, brass. Let's see what's brass. Here's a magnet. I always like to verify what people are calling brass. Everything on here is certainly not magnetic. I'm going to say this entire apparatus is brass. That mortise strike certainly is not. Okay. The surface strike, that would be brass. Our screws are definitely not solid brass, which is not a bad thing. Solid brass screws are really soft, and I think most lay people would prefer not destroying the screw trying to put it in, so that would be made of steel. That's pretty typical. So the final tally is these 2 pieces are solid brass. The mortise strike and the screws are not. Okay, no problem there. But just in the interest of being completely upfront, that's what the situation is. There are instances where things must be non-ferrous. I've had clients install stuff in laboratories where there was things going on well above my pay grade, so to speak, in terms of scientific purpose, that could not be made of anything ferrous or steel. So that's why we go through it. But nonetheless, for the cost, this is just a fantastic piece of hardware. Ultra Hardware is a full-line importer of many things, builder's quality, hardware related, bolts and hinges and lock sets and door closers and door stops, closet hardware organization material, and the list just goes on and on. If you have any questions on the Ultra Hardware 06115 4-inch barrel bolt or any other Ultra Hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.